Welcome all, I am Dr. Parag Shankar Rao Dekate, Director of Pediatrics and Head of Pediatric Intensive Care and Pediatric Emergency at KIMS Cuddles, Kondapur. Today we are going to have an interesting discussion about ear infections in the kids less than 5 years of age. ASOM is a common infection seen in the kids, and this is an infection of an ear or a middle ear behind the eardrum. So the kids with upper respiratory tract infections in the form of cough and cold, the kids who are having the allergic tendencies, the kids who are having immunodeficiency, that means they are not having the power to fight with the infection, the kids who are running chronic respiratory issues in the form of cystic fibrosis or bronchitis, these are the kids who get frequent ear infection. So ear infection or acute suppurative otitis media are quite common infection in the kids, and most of these infections are associated with upper respiratory tract infection. Almost 25% of the kids with upper respiratory tract infections are associated with ear infections in the form of ASOM. So most of these patients have associated upper respiratory tract infections and associated symptoms in the form of cough, cold and fever. Once it is turned into the ear infections, the pain increases, so they can be irritable, poor oral acceptance, they will point out towards the ear because of the pain, they will have a disturbed sleep, and progressively this pain will go on worsening if it is not taken care appropriately. Most of these kids will have preceding upper respiratory tract infections and associated symptoms in the form of fever, cough, cold and sneezing, and subsequently it will turn into the severe ear pain which is unbearable. Some of the kids, specifically kids more than 5 years of age, will point that they are not able to hear properly if there is an ear infection on that side. In ear infection, there will be an associated history which suggestive of upper respiratory tract infection, and subsequently they will start having ear pain. A routine test which is done in the OPD, we clinically examine the tympanic membrane or eardrum, which will be thickened, red, and we can see the bulging of that eardrum. And sometimes in the severe cases we can see there is a small hole in the eardrum with associated discharge of a pus or a fluid, which will make our diagnosis confirm. Most of these ear infections, they have a intense pain, so it will require a good amount of painkillers, which will be paracetamol or ibugesic, and the mainstay of ear infection treatment is antibiotics. Mind it, in these patients we have to give higher dose of antibiotics for longer duration because the penetration of antibiotic is very less in this area. Other associated things which are required in ear infections are humidification, so the steam inhalation will be helpful in this patient, decongestive measures because the ear is connected to the throat through Eustachian tube, and most of this patient, this tube is blocked, so giving decongestant and steam inhalation will open this tube and probably take care of the acute suppurative otitis media. So there are certain patients where they have a recurrent ear infections or the ear infection not get completely treated in spite of treatment. Most of these patients have the accumulation of fluid inside the middle ear, which is called as a suppurative otitis media. In this situation, sometimes we have to do a surgical management in the form of putting a small metal tube as an OPD basis to relieve the pressure inside the middle ear. After putting this tube, the fluid or air inside the middle ear comes out, and it helps in the relieving of symptoms and prevention of a further infection. The ear tube which we put in the middle ear through the tympanic membrane relieves the air as well as the fluid which is under pressure, and it helps in the re-aeration of the middle ear and prevents the further infection as well as it prevents the hearing loss. Usually these ear tubes are kept from 6 months to 12 months, and once the symptoms disappear, we can remove this ear tube in the OPD basis. Thank you.